channel.
My channel. Okay. Ano naman akong itlog. Yan. Hey, what's up guys? Roshane and welcome back to my channel and another video na naman ngayon. Kasi Christmas break kaya bagong video every week. Ayun. So for today's video, we're gonna talk about styling.
An outfit 101, yay!
Yon, basta about style and disclaimer muna ba kayo mga kapanggan agad, hindi po ako sobrang galing. Yon, at I'm not professional din, baka sabihin, makapag-advise, ganun. Basta,
I-share ko lang.
nalalaman ko sa aking utak at baka ano na dun sa loob. Kaya, andito ako ngayon para i-share yun sa inyo. And if you're interested about this video, and if you want your outfits to look cute and aesthetic, if you don't know yet the meaning of aesthetic, this is what it means. And aesthetic also means pleasing to look at, which means that your outfit looks good. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, I have here list sa aking phone. Ayan, baka naman makalimutan ko agad. Alyanin na tayo. So, the first one is you can wear a good belt or basta belt. Kung anong merong belt ka, ayun. Pwede na yon. Isuot mo yon sa isuot mo sa yon. You can wear that. Tamang-tama yun pang jeans, denim skirt, denim shorts, o anumang pang bottom, pwede yun. So, as you can see this, I'm not wearing belt. Ayan, parang plain lang siyang top and bottom. Compared to this one that I am wearing belt. Parang yun yung nagse-separate ng top and bottom. Alam mo ba yun? As you can see rin sa mga belt, meron silang details. Pa-box man yun or pa-heart. Ganon. Either silver or gold. Kasi yun nga yung nagiging, half. Ito yung top, ito yung bottom, half. Ganon. As you can see rin sa mga dresses na sinusuot ng mga celebrities and mga tao dyan, nagsusuot rin sila ng belt so it looks more poppy. Because it looks good if you have belt. So, yon, wear a good belt. Yun yung tip number 1. Next one is all about color coding or color coordination. Dito napapasok yung mga pag nag-prepare ka ng outfits mo. Wear the outfit you are comfortable with. Nox naman! And yon, alam mo naman sa sarili mo na, gusto ko to, ito susuotin ko, ayun ang susuotin ko bukas. Basta isuot niyo yung mga gusto niyo, yon, walang mali doon. And if you don't have choice anymore and nahihirapan kayo pumili ng magkakasing kulay, you can wear monochromatic color. Monochromatic. If you don't know that, yun yung mag-stick ka lang sa one color. Mag-stick ka lang sa isa. Mag-stick ka lang sa one color. Example of this is black to black. Black lahat ng outfit as in yun. And this one is white, like top, bottom, and your footwear is white. Ganun. If you don't have choice anymore kung anong suotin kong kulay na magmamatch. Ayun, pwede kayo magsuot nun in one color lang. And yun. So, let's go to the next one. All about hairstyle. Hairstyle can make your outfit pop! Yes, maganda na nga yung outfit. Tapos, mag-a-add ka pa ng magandang hairstyle. Mind blown. Ayun, I'm going to show you a pic over here. Ayan. Ang gaganda. And maganda na nga yung pinili mong outfit, then dadagdagan mo pa ng hairstyle, di ba? Yun. Kung magaling kayo mag-braid, kung magaling kayo magpuyod, basta all about hairstyle. Then ganon. It will spice up your outfit. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one is accessorize your outfit. Accessories can make your outfit, parang human na yan, ganon. You can add necklaces, rings, headbands, clips, or hat, especially bucket hat. Napakaganda yun. It will make your outfit look better than the usual. Yeah.
Next one! Last one!
Footwear and socks. Let's talk about yung sinusuot natin pang paa. So, yon. If you're wearing white top, then you can wear white shoes or sandals. You can always pick the color of your footwear, same as the top. You can put like this. Example, the color of your top is red, then you have red clip. You can put that on your jeans. So, ayun. And socks. Socks.
Socks.
Sobrang ganda ng socks. Yun. If you're wearing aesthetic socks or alam niyo may embroidery, alam niyo yung nagpapaganda ng socks. You can make your outfit nice. Yes.
Wow!
Iconic socks. Pero di naman yung ganda. So, karagdagang kaalaman na rin na gusto kong i-share sa inyo is ito. So, if you're wearing an oversized shirt na napakalaki, then tuck it in, girl. Tuck in is the key. Sobrang ganda yun kapag nakatuck in, diba? Parang sobrang ganda. Mahaba, malalaking shirt na tatakin nyo. Girl, ganda nun. You can tuck it in all of the shirt and you can just tuck in the front then loose at the back. So, yun. Yun. Ayun. So, if you don't want to wear plain outfit or plain shirt, then you can wear an patterned top or bottom like this. Mas maganda kapag pattern kasi meron silang dating. They look more attractive than plain ones. So the next one is by painting your outfit. I mean painting something on your outfit like your shoes like this. These are the inspirations that I saw on Pinterest. Ayun, basta mga denim. If you saw something on your outfit that looks better, if you paint on them, then go girl. This next one is, I know that a lot of people are doing this, including me, because it's really helpful to your jeans or pants. Because by cuffing your jeans like this and make your denim pants pop, or it will pull an outfit together. Or that's all.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, put your mask on.
So, ngayon, alam niyo na yung mga sinabi ko, and wag niyong kakalimutan na always wear the outfit that can make your confidence level grow. Bawa, so ano yung favorite outfit niyo? Oh, ang ganda ko, ganon, ang cute ko, ganon. Yung parang feeling yung sarili niyo, pinakamaganda kayo, ganon. And also, magsuot kayo ng outfit that you feel really comfortable with it. Diba? Ayaw nyo naman magsuot ng outfit na, nasisikip pa, nahangat ganyan, sobrang sikip, sobrang luwag, diba? Magsuot kayo ng outfit na tamang-tama sa yung feeling nyo na fit na fit. Fit na fit. So yun, kahit mga basic lang yung mas sinabi ko, at least nakapag-share ako sa inyo ng something na sana nga useful. Ayun, and I hope you like and enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up down below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet for more videos here in my YouTube channel, and click that notification bell down below so you'll be notified whenever I posted a whole new video. And again naman, gusto niyo i-follow my social medias are linked down below, yung mga kalukahan ko at mga araw-araw na ganap sa aking buhay. Ayan, nandun lahat yung mga kaganapan ng aking buhay. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and may God bless you all. Ano bang sasabihin ko? Ayun. Comment down below your video suggestions. If you have video suggestions, comment down in the comment box section. Yung may dali para malaman ko mga gagawin ko sa sunod na video. So, yun lang po for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Just stay positive and spread the good vibes. I love you all. Bye-bye. See you in my next one. So, ayun. While I'm editing this video, someone comment down. And ayun, nag-JL. Kami na nag-buhay. Ayun. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. God bless you. Peace.